Alrighty, well, today we're taking a look at question 2 for recitation 12. And this one we're trying to find the equivalent capacitance between point A and B. So point A is over here, point B is over here, so essentially we're just trying to find the equivalent capacitance of this whole mess. Now, I don't know what this circuit looks like the way it's drawn right now. So I'm going to redraw it in a way that's easier for me to follow, right? So I'm going to start at A, or start here at A, and I'm just going to come in from the right or from the left, and that's where we're starting. And then we have this point in here where it branches off. One's going to branch off up here, and it's going to branch off down here, right? When it branches off down low, this way, we get our first capacitor, our C1, right? And then it's going to keep going, right? And then if we keep coming around this top, that's going to branch off again to the left and right, but I'm just going to make this to the up and down, right? It's going to branch off there and there. And to one side, which I'll put, that's this section, right? Because if we rotate this, going this way would be going down here. We're going to run into our C2, second capacitor. If we go the other way, right, we get our C3 as capacitor, right? And after we get past C3, that branches back to the other side of C2, right? That's branching to this side of C2. So those are connected like that. But it doesn't just connect to C2. Before C2 after connects to C3 over here, past that connection, it connects all the way back to the other side of C1. So we get this. So if C2 and 3 connect here, right here, right? And it connects to the other side of C1 like this. Yep. And then the connection between C2 and 3 over here, this is also going to connect off to B. So this is a bit easier now to look at, this circuit here, because I didn't like the other one. I'm going to move that down just a bit. It doesn't really matter where on that wire it connects, it does. Because now we can see that this section here, these two are in parallel with each other, and this whole section here is in parallel with this one, right? So we were to find the capacitance of this section here. That would end up being, since they're in parallel, it's just going to be C3 plus C2, right? And we're taking all of that, because again, that's just the capacitance of this side, and that's still in parallel with this C1. So we're also going to add C1, and that's going to be our total capacitance, right? And then since it's all addition, we can drop the parentheses. C1 plus C2 plus C3 is going to give us our total capacitance. All right, well, I hope you found this video at least a little bit helpful. Let me know if you have any more questions about this or any other problems that you want me to try to explain, and I will do my best to explain them because I guess Sydney explains stuff.